Hello guys, if you got a Samsung TV and you have dark shadow on your screen, maybe this video can help you and maybe not. So sometimes, most of the times, the dark shadows that follows a screen can comes from the lights, the LED lights that's inside the TV. Some of them sometimes they stop working. That's why you see dark shadows on your screen. So before we take it to a repair shop, let's see if we have something wrong with our TV from the settings. So first of all, just check if your TV is up to date. Maybe it's not up to date, you can update it from here. Also, you can check the diagnose, like you can test the picture and see from here that if the picture is good or not. Let's see. This just can show you if you can see clearly or not. For me, I can see it. And then it gives you like many options. That's how you know if your TV is good or not. I will just keep saying yes, so they can give you options and show you how maybe you can find a solution. You can also reset the picture settings from here. You can reset the picture settings, all of it, to the default. Maybe it will fix your stuff. Or you can change, play with some stuff right here and change some. There's a lot of stuff you can change and see if it's working. You can also turn off your TV and unplug it from the power cord and wait at least like 15 seconds or 30 seconds. Then you can power it again. So if all of these options did not work, you have to take your TV to a repair shop because the LED lights inside the TV, they are not working. So I hope you guys, this helps you a little bit. So have a nice day.